Hey YouTube, gonna do this song Girls and Boys that I've been enjoying. It's by the Viagra Boys. I play it with all power chords. Okay, this is gonna be a short lesson. Alright, what we have here is C sharp at the 4th on the A string and the 6th on the D string. And then we go from C sharp to B, playing just with power chords. Girls, they always want to tie me down. Boys, wanna go out on the town. That's the verse. It's the bass is really what's playing that in the recording, not the guitar. But we're playing guitar, so that's what we're working with. A, we can play here on the 5th and 7th frets. We're playing 5 on the low E, 7 on the A, play 7 on the D if you want. And then we go down to F sharp, A, F sharp, C sharp, then it's right back into the verse. If you want. No, you do it the way you want. That's the verse and the chorus. That's Girls and Boys by the Viagra Boys. Beautiful song. Thanks for watching. Bye.